Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. Wondering what to do when visiting Island Park, Idaho? One thing I love to do here is to go for a scenic drive here in Mesa Falls Scenic Byway. Mesa Falls Scenic Byway begins in Ashton at the junction of US 20 and Idaho 40. The byway runs approximately 28 miles and would take about an hour to drive straight through. You will pass through various terrain along the way, including beautiful forested lands, rivers, mountains, meadows, and canyons. You can access both the upper and lower falls of Mesa Falls. This Mesa Falls is 114-foot tall waterfall and offer over 2.5 billion gallons of water poured in a day. I absolutely love visiting this waterfall. It was so gorgeous and so breathtaking. Being close to nature, and this drive was so relaxing and breathtaking. But my favorite part of this adventure was seeing the gorgeous Mesa Falls. If you enjoy driving, outstanding scenery, and love being close to nature, then this drive needs to be on your bucket list. Have you been to Mesa Falls? What was your favorite thing about it? Leave your comment below. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more outdoor adventures. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!